Oculus has announced that the VR rhythm game Beat Saber will be hitting its upcoming standalone VR headset on day one. The company shared the announcement alongside a brief QA with the dev team today, an announcement that follows just shortly after developer Beat Games announced that Beat Saber has surpassed 1 million sales across all platforms in less than a year. The Oculus Quest itself is still due out for a week sometime in 2019 release, but nabbing Beat Saber as one of the self-contained VR headsets launch titles is a significant push to bolster the platform's offerings ahead of that eventual launch. Oculus has already said that it's aiming for a quality-first approach for games that show up on the Quest's Game Store, and the Beat Saber announcement certainly falls in line with that. It's a push detailed in a recent blog post on the company site, and one that ultimately aims to focus on acts that take advantage of some of the Quest's flagship features like its inside-out 6-star tracking, and one that's led to a stricter application process for devs looking to land a game on the platform. Newsbrief. The Writers Guild of Great Britain has announced the winners for its annual Writers Guild Awards. Riddling Rhymes, Her Majesty, written by Lee Alexander and former Gamasutra editor, took home the statuette for Best Writing in a Video Game. Other nominees are NCLUDADFIFU 19, Narrative Drive Story Mode, The Journey, Champions, written by Matt Turner. Tom Watt and Martin Cordell was first on the shortlist, followed by Ryan's Her Majesty, written by Alexander. Narrative Puzzle Game at Spectrum Retreat, written by Giles Armstrong and Dan Smith, closed off the list. The awards took place earlier today at the Royal College of Physicians in central London, in a special ceremony to mark the union's 60th anniversary. As you are gearing up for the 2019 Game Developers Conference next month, organizers would like to quickly let you know about some of the great day-long sponsored developer days you can enjoy during the show. All developer day sessions TAKAPLACE during the first 2 days of DD, Monday and Tuesday, March 18th and 19th, and offer cutting-edge insight and opportunities to learn from some of the top companies in the industry. Here's a sample of what's in store for you during the DD 2019 Developer Days, served up in an easy-to-read list format. A number of companies are presenting Dev Day sessions this year, and today we are excited to highlight offerings from Google, Autodesk, Solar, Substance, and the Chronos Group. Building successful monetization and growth strategies. Hear how top game developers challenge traditional mobile game business models and find success through diversifying their revenue streams. This session will also look at ways to build communities and cover the latest growth and monetization tools to help you find and keep high-value players. Building on Android. This technical session will cover Android tools and tips to optimize your mobile game's performance for the best possible player experience. Learn strategies for diagnosing library problems, how to spot bugs and identify root causes, as well as how games can be optimized for large-screen devices like Chromebooks to improve engagement and reach new audiences. Create, connect, and scale with Google. In this 4-part session, you will cover a variety of ways to reach new audiences with your games. Hear about expanding to emerging markets, developing immersive experiences, designing voice games for the Google Assistant platform, and how to grow your game and improve the player experience with Firebase. Tools and best practices to improve discovery and game quality. Learn about the latest tools, services, and best practices to help distribute mobile games on Google Play. You will examine how to create high-quality games using Android Oculus, improve player conversion with the Google Play Instant, and build effective pre-launch strategies to maximize the lifetime value of your players. 3ds Max, what's new and what's to come? Get an exclusive sneak peek of the latest advancements in 3ds Max from the Autodesk product leadership team. Meet the Autodesk team and be part of the conversation. Autodesk Unity, powering immersive experiences with connected workflows. For over a year, Unity and Autodesk have collaborated to build more connected workflows between Autodesk 3D tools and the Unity engine. In this session, Autodesk and Unity will give an update on that relationship. What new work has been done to improve the interop between our tools, and what we are exploring for the future. Sony Santa Monica Presents God of War. See a first-hand example of how animation performance in Maya accelerated workflows for artists at a major AAA game studio, and learn how they can be applied in other cases at other studios. Maya 2019. Faster animation, artist workflows, and the future. Learn about everything new in Maya 2019. Autodesk will present new updates to animation workflows for artists, and discuss what to look forward to in the near future. Shotgun for production management in games, keeping track of assets, project status, and reviews is a huge challenge in games. Shotgun is a review and production tracking toolset well known for helping creative teams deliver blockbuster films, epic TV shows, and AAA games. In this session, we will cover the latest updates to Shotgun for games and hear how it has impacted the efficiency of some of the world's biggest studios. A game dev's guide to life, beyond credit cards, major units. In an era of global game publishing, extending one's reach can be tough, particularly as a smaller studio. Solo will help attendees expand to geographies that they've never thought of with hyper-localized customer buying experiences, guaranteeing increased market share and conversion. Learn about nuanced payment habits and local payment options that are gaining traction in key gaming markets. Content design marketing tactics for successful pre-order campaigns. This talk will help attendees understand how to create and execute successful pre-order campaigns, demonstrating best practices and case studies across founder and pre-order packages, bundle content and pricing, marketing activities, upselling, sales, discounts, and how to work with existing crowdfunding campaign backers. Game publishing 3.0. Beta testing your business model pre-launch. When it comes to publishing advice, one mantra you hear often is to start your marketing early. However, rarely do you hear start your monetization early. This talk will get you up to speed on pre-launch strategy and help you generate early indicators to tune your marketing, optimize your sales funnel, and ultimately make more money both pre-release and at launch. Learn how to up your game, empowering developers everywhere. It's never been easy to make a game, but the barriers to success have never been so high. How can you take control of your own destiny? Soligam's Natalie Lubansky will show you how by drawing from over 20 years of creating exceptional and memorable customer experiences. This kickoff talk will give you the confidence to self-publish, launch your dream game to the right audience, own your customer, and create a global brand without breaking the bank. Maximizing the influencer potential for your game. Influencer marketing has become an essential part of marketing for many games today, and a vital source of growth for some. In this talk, Solo will discuss how to position a game for influencer success, untapped opportunities, funding beyond friends family, Tired of self-funding? Come learn about different sources of funding one may not have known existed. With a wider network and a customized pitch, also funding success can increase substantially. Solid team members will cover where and when to reach out to make the magic happen. Bringing Fortnite to mobile with Vulkan under Pingless. The session will cover the challenges faced in bringing Fortnite Battle Royale to Android devices using Vulkan under Pingless, optimization strategies, performance and memory trade-offs, police content changes and implementation details. Epic used to get the most out of the mobile graphics APIs has implemented in modern Android mobile devices, making use of new Vulkan features. Join this session to learn about recently released Vulkan features that have been driven by developer feedback.